sign. Main energy mo. Ace of Rings and the Moon. Queen of Roses is here. And Page of Roses. I feel like you are in love. The Ace of Rings. In love ka dito sa person na the Moon could be, I don't know if this is a new person, but some of you it is a new person sa buhay mo, or might be this is a person na pwedeng lumalabas sa panaginip mo, or this is a person na like I feel like meron ka ng binulong sa taong to. So maybe there's pagkikita or maybe date na nangyari sa inyo in the past, or if not, pwedeng nagkaroon ng pagkikita sa inyo and then may mga binulong ka sa kanya, or may mga sinabi ka sa kanya na siya lang dapat yung makarinig. Like maybe if you are with the group of people, pwedeng may pag-uusap sa inyo na parang kayo lang yung nakakaalam. Could be anything. Wala namang particular na sinabi kung ano yung pag-uusap na yun, patungkol saan, sino yung mga taong involved, or sino yung mga taong pinag-usapan ninyo. It's just that there's this feeling na may bulungan na nagaganap. And with the Queen of Roses, you really do love this person. Kaya lang ang hindi ko magets dito, kasi nakalagay dito is that there's like a crown, pero it's just second place, and maybe there's another person na involved sa connection ninyo na nagiging dahilan para itong mood mo na ito ay you do love this person, pero parang kailangan ko munang pigilan parang ganun yung emotions mo for this person. And you do have here the advisor. So I feel like this person, ikaw yung nakakaintindi sa kanya, or vice versa. So maybe there's friendship sa inyong dalawa. Ayan. And you really do love this person with the Ace of Rings. Ano naman yung emotion niya para sa'yo? Emotion ng taong ito para sa'yo. For the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tanong ko? Kunin muna natin yung mini energy niya. Anyway, take only what resonates, guys. Wait lang. Parang nagkakaroon ng fold yung aking pinaka cover nung table. So medyo sumasagi dun yung card. One last shuffle. Tapos kunin na natin yung main energy ng person na ito kakonect mo. Water sign. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba, ha. Any comment will do. Basta positive. Heart, smileys, mga ganun. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. The Lovers is here. Knight of Roses. Wow. And you do have here the Eight of Roses. I feel like this person, pwedeng may relationship na kayo, or this person wants a relationship with you. Kasi with the Lovers, this is like, yan, nakakita ko ng new person, maybe a new person, and I can also feel the energy of Scorpio, Taurus. Yan, and there's this friendship sa inyo. If this is a friend, Knight of Roses, nakikita natin na parang I feel like babalik siya sa buhay mo, or siya yung magiging, there's a victory dito sa connection na ito. Like maybe pwedeng magkaroon ng deeper level of commitment. You're both healing right now sa mga kung ano man yung mga traumas, mga problems in the past. Pwedeng both of you are healing, and pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng rebirth, no? Or evolution, no? And both of you, I don't know if you're dealing with someone na pareho mo ng sign. Could be also a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And or the Eight of Roses, this person's going to, take the leap of faith. Maybe hindi lang siya ganun laging nagsasalita or nagkipag-usap sa'yo, or maybe hindi siya masyadong nakikipag-connect, maybe may misunderstanding or hindi maayos na connection sa ngayon. But both of you are trying to focus on your personality, appearance, no? Nandun yung focus ninyong dalawa. Also with with the 5 of mirrors, nakakakita tayo ng confusion dito sa taong to. Nako-confuse siya, maybe you're not being honest sa iyong emotion sa kanya. Yung kung may pag-iiwasan, it's a positive kind of energy. Like, tama lang na muna na mag-iwasan kayo because maybe the connection is very intense and pwedeng, nakakamoy ako ng mani. This could be a reading. So, ayun, yung pag-iiwasan ninyo could lead into you, both of you, na mas maiintindihan ninyo yung bawat isa, no? Dahil may pag-iiwasan, so mas nakafocus kayo sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. So, anyway, I feel like this person wants assurance. Gusto niya ng assurance mula sa'yo. I'm also seeing strawberry. Might be you're eating something na may flavor na strawberry. Strawberry jam. Or maybe talagang strawberry. You might be eating strawberry or just flavor while watching the video. You do have here the 2 of mirrors. Oh, wow. 3 of floats. Okay. You're dealing with a friend. King of mirrors is here. Pero parang you want to act professional dito sa connection ninyo. 'Di ba? 2 of mirrors, you're mirroring each other. Pag pinupush, pwedeng maybe in the past, you push this person away. And then this time, this person might be pushing you away too. So, parang may nagbi-mirror, nagba-bounce. But maybe there's a lot of similarities din or pagkakapareho sa inyong dalawa. Ace of floats, you really do love this person. You feel like this is your destiny. Diba? And you also feel like this is your home. Mahal mo siya. Maybe natatakot ka lang sa sasabihin ng iba sa connection ninyo. I don't know why. Maybe some of you dahil sa gender. So, pwedeng both of you are, the same gender. LGBTQIA+, parang ganon. Or, might be, pwedeng pagmula ng chismis or pwedeng marami ang pagbulong-bulungan kayo, pag-usapan kayo. So, there's something in your connection na pwedeng makasira sa reputasyon ng bawat isa. Na nagiging dahilan para, wait lang, lie-low muna tayo. But I can see friendship sa inyong dalawa. Like, maybe you treat each other as like parang magkapatid na kayo, ganon. Or parang isa na yung mga magulang ninyo. Pero kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa part na yon, there's just this feeling na may kakaiba sa kanya na parang ang lalim ng connection namin dalawa. Parang. And with the mirror, 2 of mirrors, could be maybe you feeling na this is your twin flame, this is your soulmate. Ano yung emotions ng person na ito para sa'yo? Guys, there's a lot of love sa inyong dalawa. Kaya lang with the 10 of mirrors, nasasaktan siya eh. Page of Roses is here. So, pwedeng sa ngayon nag-ano siya na parang wala siyang pakialam ko, no? Pero, this person wants to win you. Diba? Gusto niya, ang ending nitong connection na ito ay magkatuluyan niya kayo. Pwedeng ganun. And 10 of mirrors, I feel like deep inside there's a lot of pain mula sa kanya kasi feeling niya na reject siya eh. Lalo na kung ikaw itong umiiwas ngayon. Feeling niya na there's rejection coming from you. Clarify the 10 of mirrors, please. Okay, nasasaktan siya because you do have here the Bachelorette. So, there's this number 3 and the King of Roses, the executive producer. Um, I feel like nasasaktan siya because kasi feeling niya parang wala ka talagang pakialam sa kanya. Lalo na kung ikaw ito na ikaw ang umiiwas, ganun. And you do feel a lot of passion, intense passion and love for this person. Andun dun yung desire mo at pagkagusto mo sa kanya. Kaya lang, you're dealing with someone na pwedeng unpredictable. Hindi mo siya matansya. Parang may mga biglaan siyang movement na ikinakagulat mo na parang, wait lang, hindi pa ako handa. Parang ganon. And the Three of Roses, feeling niya, nagkaroon siya ng missed opportunity or missed chance with you. Pwedeng maybe in the past nagkaroon ng chance, pero parang na-miss yun or hindi natuloy yun. So, nasasaktan yung taong to. So, what will happen in the future for you? For this connection, water sign, please, spirit guides, angel guides. Ano yung message dito? Ano ang possible outcome ng connection nito? For water sign, the other to be continued. The cliffhanger. The Four of Roses is here. And the cocktail party. Number 17. Ay, hindi ko ito kukunin masyadong marami. Wait lang. You do have the end. Two of Lots is here. And ito. The limo. And I'm feeling like a chariot energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify I want to clarify the number 13 with the end. Clarify this, please. Clarified by the Ten of Rings. Yun talaga yung nagpakita, yung nasa bottom of the deck niya kanina. Okay. May pagbabalik dito sa taong to. Or vice versa, maybe ikaw itong babalik. Maybe someone is going to visit someone here. So, kung may pagkakalayo sa inyo, I can see pagkikita, seeing this person in person. Hindi na siya through chat, through email, whatsoever. So, I can see na may pagkikita sa inyo in the future. And there's a continuation sa kung ano man yung napuputol na connection sa inyong dalawa ngayon. Four of Roses. I'm feeling like there's stability sa'yo. And someone here is going to visit someone's house. So, may pagbisita talaga sa future. At with the Two of Lots, nakakita tayo dito na pag-uusap na kayong dalawa lang. And with the limo, I feel like after nito pag-uusap na to, everything na susunod sa connection ninyo magiging mabilis na. Okay, so ngayon medyo nagiging matagal, pero after nito pag-uusap na kayong dalawa lang, maybe hindi nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng pag-uusap. I mean, I'm talking about pag-uusap in person. No, pwedeng hindi nagkaroon ng chance ng pag-uusap sa inyo na kayong dalawa lang. Maybe there's a lot of people with a cocktail party. So, may ibang taong involved dito or may ibang tao na nagiging dahilan for you na isipin or kung bakit parang kailangan ninyo maging casual or pwedeng hindi ko nakikitang nagiging malinaw sa'yo ang lahat in the past. Kasi nga pwedeng may mga ibang tao na kumukuha ng atensyon niya. Knight of Rings is here. So, ayan, nakakita tayo ng opportunity in the future sa inyo. I really do like the energy of the Nine of Rings. Actually, may angel number ka na dito, 999. Which is 999. Yung number 9 kasi, it's like near the end na eh. And may matapos nang mag-end sa inyo, sa connection na ito. Especially with the Ten of Rings, that's an ending. Ano yung matapos nang mag-end or matapos, malapit na matapos sa connection na ito? Ano yung ending? Seven of Rings is here and the Six of Rings. Four of Mirrors is at the bottom of the deck. And Ten of Flutes. There's the proposal right here. So, nakikita natin, number 4, it's like there's stability in the end sa inyong dalawa. So, there's a stable connection, relationship. Naging matagal man with the Six of Rings, but with the Seven of Rings, it will eventually happen. Sa tamang panahon at sa tamang dahilan. Babalik ang taong ito or dadating ang taong ito sa tamang panahon at sa tamang dahilan. Okay, may rason siya sa buhay mo kung bakit siya babalik or bakit siya dadating. And I feel like magtutuloy-tuloy na right after that. There's completion. There's love. Okay? Yeah, you do have your Ace of Flutes. Some of you, yan, there's a first kiss. So there's a possibility na yung relasyon nyo, if you're friends, pwedeng magpunta siya sa deeper level of commitment. If you are already in a relationship, pwedeng magkaroon ng engagement. Yan. And if you are already engaged, there's pag-uusap regarding wedding. So, deeper level of commitment. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.